everyone, my name is Jeff and I'm from QualityDoor.com. And today we're going to show you how to put in an MELR, electric latch retraction exit device kit, into a mechanical ED5200 non-fire rated or ED5200A Corbin Russwin exit device. We're going to bring Frank in, our shop foreman that puts these in every day, to show you how to get the modular kit in there to make this an electrified electric latch retraction exit device so that you can use it with a keypad or key fob or any actuator to have access control to your building.
Step 1, remove the filler plate, set it aside. Step 2, we're going to remove the docking device with these 2 screws. This is going to go into the corresponding piece. And you got to put 2 screws in the same holes as the docking device you removed. Going to attach the wire. And you can replace the filler plate. You take the black plug to fill up this hole, to plug the hole.
That's it. So thank you very much for watching our video of how to install an electric latch retraction kit, MELR, into an ED5200 or 5200A Grade 1 Corbin Russwin rim exit device. Click below to subscribe. We'll have new content every week. Thank you very much, and we'll speak to you soon.